Hi guys, hope you're doing better. Welcome to my BASEUS wireless charging pad unboxing video. It comes in a pretty nice packaging. Inside we have the wireless charger and a USB Type-C cable and warranty card. Here we have the scratch code for verify the authenticity of this product. Okay, let's dig in. Here's the warranty card. This product has a 12 months of warranty period. And this is the user manual. I think there are some stickers also. As I mentioned earlier, we have a USB-A to Type-C cable. Here's the wireless charging pad. Pretty nice design. It comes with the transparent glass front with an aluminium back panel. As you can see here, it can charge any Qi compliant wireless charging device at 15 watts. In here we can see the USB Type-C port. Now let's try it. It is recommended to use any QC 3.0 adapter with power of 18 watts or above. It can charge almost every wireless charging device such as iPhones, AirPods with wireless charging case, and any Android device with wireless charging capability. As you can see, now it's charging my AirPods Pros. So that's all guys, and this is the end of this video. Thank you for watching, and if you like this, please give a thumbs up. In the comments, tell me your experience with this device if you own it. Otherwise, tell me what you guys are thinking about this video and this product. So this is the end. I'll catch you guys in next video.